Yes, Lochy. That was good. Good send. Alright, drop it. Woo! Oh my! Shit, you're right. That was mad. That was so good.
I saved the kind of. Yeah.
Oh, that was so sick.
Going again.
Holy shit, what the was that? Oh, nice. Oh, sorry mate. We'll meet ya. We'll just go up here, then we'll meet back with you sooner or later. We're at like nowhere. Just going up the trails. Long hikes, hike a bike, but we'll get there soon, boys. Finally got here, which is good. Whew. Yeah. They need like what's it at Burn Park, the service stations. There, they need that. That'd be so good.
Who's got first?
I don't know. AJ, where do you want to go, mate?
I'll go last.
Okay. Yeah. Do you want me to follow you down, Loch?
I'm probably gonna go slow, to be honest. But
Okay, you can follow me then.
yeah.
Yeah, we'll do that.
Give him the burn.
Yes, AJ. Got heaps of runs after this. You know why I say that?
What?
Because you go, oh, last run of the day.
Oh.
Never ends well.
Yeah, I legit said last run at our bloody jumps, and I wrapped my derailleur around the bloody rim.
Oh, really?
Yep. I just did like little jump up about that big.
Yeah.
Landed, back wheel locked up. I went flying over the back.
Yeah.
From there. I didn't press the brakes, I don't think.
Yeah.
And then, oh no.
Alright. I probably won't be going too quick as well, but just see how I go. See how I feel. Dude, low gear. Oh my god, that's a boost. Holy. Oh. Oh, it feels good. Oh. It's a break for those kids, man.
Bloody kid. I mean, I legit almost made the jump. Everyone's like, move, move! But then,
yeah.
half my speed.
Big trains, so yeah. Try to catch up with AJ now. See where he went. Oh! Oh, it's Brock. Yeah, I think it's Brock. Brocky. Brock. Oh. No, that's sick. They got a drone. No, that's not Brock.
That's not Brock.
It's not Brock. That's Brock.
You're an idiot now.
Hey?
You're an idiot now.
Yeah. Oh, I keep roosting these and I can't. Keep losing. Oh.
You're trying doing there. Hits it.
Oh! Yeah. Good stuff though. Oh!
Skate park all over.
Hey?
Like the skate park all over. Little kids hitting the big jumps I can't hit.
Yeah. Oh! He nearly ate that. What? Oh, what one? The blue? Yeah, okay. Pull you boys down, yeah? Yep. Yeah, alright, let's go, look.
I'm gonna train something.
Oh, that was mad.
Hey, I'll go first.
Alright, let's go.
Alright.
I don't remember either.
Oh! Oh, Lachlan did such a nice rail. Oh.
Almost crashed.
I saw him roost it.
Did you see?
Yeah, that looks so sick. Oh, let's. Oh,
I slipped into the berm.
yeah.
Shit.
You want to go back up?
Yep.
Sure.
Yeah,
Yep.
that was definitely a very interesting run.
Yeah. Oh. Oh.
Yeah, I know, because the guy last time did all day.
Drop it in. Yep. Oh! Oh shit, you're right. You right, Lock? Alright. Try to get my feet good on the pedals. Oh! Yes! Yes, mate. I'll follow you boys in, yeah?
No, you go first.
Alright. Dropping. Oh, wrong line. Whew. Speedy, it's a lot of fun. Perfect views. Nearly there.
There's just one rock garden that I can't get through.
Oh.
He's up a little. I'm like, how though? You just blew through this shit. I was like, how though? That was funny. I got on a cord too.
Alright, you gonna go first?
Yep, alright. Let's go.
Alright then. Oh. Oh, yeah, let's for that. Holy shit. And he's gone. Alright, time to make up some ground. Oh, he's gone. Oh, first crash of the day. Come on, get back up. Just a bit slippery. Don't think I'm cut up too badly. Holy, rocks coming off, hitting the frame. Oh, I crashed one time on the rocks. Hey?
Did you crash on the rocks?
Yeah. I slid out on like near the berm. Oh. No, I didn't think I did.
What the I was like this going down. Oh.
Holy shit. Yeah.
I'm always eating it.
That's all I got. Not bad.
I put my foot down. I had all the jumps.
Mate, that is so good. Cheers guys for watching the videos. Hope you enjoyed them. Just went to the goat farm, having some fun with the boys. Legends.